Hello everybody, this is the laser cutting machine with the projector and the camera. Now we want to make the projector calibration. First, please open the projector, 打开投影仪. The next step is to make the computer settings before calibration. The second step is to make the computer settings before calibration for projector. First, you should prepare one wireless mouse. Open the property of the computer. Recognize the projector automatically and 把那个投影仪设为1还是2？ And recognize the projector automatically. And if the 1 is the projector, please set the parameters for extend this projector and save it. Also, the resolution for the projector is automatically same as the computer. The projecting area, the legs of the projecting and the width of the projecting area. Use your ruler. Open the VCAD software. Projector settings. Projector start. First, fill in the projector width and the projecting height. The height is the length of the projecting area. Fill in the date we measure by the ruler. Second, move the gantry cutting head to the left down of the projecting area. The cutting head should be in area of the projecting. Check the control panel. There is two dates. One is X date and Y number. X offset is 1600 minus X. Fill in the down offset for X. Y offset. Block cut. Then you will see in the software make the settings for the software. First is choose the position for the absolute coordinates, and file system settings, arranging home position, and read the parameters from the controller. Choose the card. Check the parameters. Download the files to the controller. Start cutting blocks. Cutting cross. Okay, click the correcting. 点一下，别动。好吧。Make the projecting cross cover the cutting cross one by one. Please be patient. When you finish cover the projecting cross to the cutting cross. When you finish it, please click the calibration. Then the projector calibration will be finished. When you close the software, when you reopen the software, please click the projector and projector start and click projector again. Then it will show on the table. You see? 弄小一点，往那边挪，对。Now we make the machine to cut. Let's see whether it cut the projector shoes. Okay, start. Sure. Now it shows the cutting is okay, cutting position is correct.